What if I told you that just one simple cup a day could help clean your arteries? The same arteries that have been collecting plaque for years. No expensive supplements, no dangerous drugs, and no surgery. Just a natural, science-backed drink that supports your heart's own cleaning process. And today, I'll show you exactly how it works, what ingredients make it powerful, and how 1 cup a day can help you protect your heart for life. Your arteries are like highways that carry life through your body. They transport oxygen and nutrients to every cell, every organ, every heartbeat. But over time, poor diet, stress, smoking, and even lack of sleep can lead to plaque buildup inside these arteries. That plaque is made of fat, calcium, and cholesterol. And when it hardens, it restricts blood flow. The result? High blood pressure, fatigue, chest discomfort, and eventually heart attacks or strokes. But here's the amazing truth. Your body already knows how to repair and clean these arteries naturally. You just have to give it the right environment to do so. And that's exactly what this one simple daily drink does. Let's understand how it works scientifically. Artery plaque builds up because of oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress is like rust inside your arteries. It damages the inner walls. Inflammation is your body's response. It tries to patch those walls with fat and cholesterol. Over time, those patches become permanent blockages. So the key is not to dissolve plaque overnight. That's impossible. But to stop new buildup and help your body gradually remove old deposits. The ingredients in this simple drink do exactly that. Here's the formula. Doctors and nutritionists recommend for better arterial health. Ingredients: 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with the mother, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, a small pinch of turmeric powder. Optional, 1 teaspoon of raw honey for taste. Now let's break down why each ingredient matters. Apple cider vinegar helps lower triglycerides and supports better fat metabolism. It reduces the stickiness of cholesterol particles, making it easier for your body to clear them. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which protects artery walls from oxidation. It's like applying an anti-rust shield inside your blood vessels. Olive oil is loaded with antioxidants and healthy monounsaturated fats. It boosts HDL, the good cholesterol, which acts like a cleaner, helping remove excess fat from your arteries. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories known to science. It reduces arterial inflammation and prevents further plaque buildup. And if you add a small spoon of raw honey, it not only balances acidity, but provides natural enzymes that support circulation and energy. Drink this once daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Within weeks, most people report improved energy, better focus, and normalized blood pressure. Let's back this up with science. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism, 2019, found that olive oil consumption improved arterial flexibility by 40%. Research in Nutrition Research Journal, 2020, showed that turmeric reduces levels of C-reactive protein, a key inflammation marker, by over 30%. And apple cider vinegar? Clinical studies show it can help lower total cholesterol and triglycerides by up to 25% when used consistently for several weeks. These ingredients don't just work individually, they work synergistically. Together, they create the ideal environment for your arteries to repair themselves. Here's the step-by-step way to add this habit to your morning. 1, wake up and drink 1 glass of plain water first to hydrate. 2, wait 5 minutes, then prepare your 1 cup drink. 3, sip it slowly, don't chug it. Let your body absorb it naturally. 4. Wait 15 to 20 minutes before eating breakfast. This small, consistent routine triggers your body's natural detox systems and improves blood flow throughout the day. Over time, you may notice you breathe easier, feel lighter, and your blood pressure becomes more stable. Many people even report reduced headaches, better stamina, and improved focus. That's your circulation improving. Your heart no longer working overtime just to pump through narrow, stiff arteries. Your body doesn't change overnight, but give it time, and it rewards you with strength, vitality, and longevity. Remember, heart health isn't about magic shortcuts. It's about small, consistent habits that give your body what it needs to heal itself. So try this 1 cup a day habit for the next 30 days. Listen to your body and notice the difference. Your arteries can be repaired, your energy can return, and your heart can stay strong for years to come. To